Hi, this is Rihanna with Colton RV and Marine, and today we're looking at the 22 CF Odyssey SE. So this is a new Class C made by Entegra. It's 22 feet on the floor plan, so it's super short. It'll fit most places, so it's easy to get around in and out of campsites and different places, cities, so super mobile. A few things I love about this motorhome. The main thing being the fiberglass front cap. So this is seamless on the edges, so it's going to be less prone to water damage. It's one big piece of fiberglass molded on the front. So that'll hold up better for you over time. Entegra provides a 2-year limited and a 3-year structural warranty. So they back the product for a good amount of time. That other sticker says catalytic converter lock, so they have a lock around the catalytic converter so it can't be taken off. On the outside here, there are a lot of storage compartments. What we really like about that is they're all metal. So not plastic that can crack and nothing that's going to, get all weird. It is prepped for solar panels. So it does come with a backup camera, and you do have a hitch here on the bumper. So this can tow. The towing capacity, let's see. The towing capacity of this is 5,000 pounds, so you can tow a small vehicle behind you. This model does have one slide out on the bed. It comes with a generator built in. So that is a Flex Pro generator. We like these because they can run on propane or gasoline. You just have to switch it over. So let's head inside. All right, so this floor plan does have sleeping for a few people. So you have a dinette here. This is a great size. It does turn into a bed that an adult can sleep on. You've got a nice big window there too, which I like. There's a second bed up here, so that's huge. So that flips forward, and then this makes into one really big bed. And then you have your queen size bed in the back here. So this is that slide out. There is some storage under there. Lots of storage back here overall. So you have some cabinets up ahead. You've got a couple drawers over here. And then a big wardrobe. More storage in the hall area. So this is for all your kitchen stuff, your pantry. And a little more there. Tons of storage in the kitchen. You have a convection microwave, 2-burner propane cooktop, and a great size fridge. So this is a 12-volt fridge. And in the corner, there's the bath. So lots of good storage, good space in there, good size shower. For being 22 feet, this coach has a lot to offer. If it's something you're interested in, give us a call at Colton RV and Marine. Our phone number is 716-694-0188. My name's Rihanna and my extension is 413.